You know what kind of mango you know, but those are going to eat. Welcome back to the channel. So this is how I go now. And back the fire side already. Just the wood them for go inside. So this is it before the fire light up, you know what I mean? Yes, so stay tuned. Yeah, that is it.
Get the chicken back and clean up now. And then say the curry chicken or brown stew chicken. Curry and vegetable rice, that's all. Them and people, then them are people feed, you know. We don't like the flesh, then you know that. Look a bag for put dinner.
Chicken now. So I go on. Yeah man, Socks. I go and get the chicken back clean up. Yeah man, where say them I cook today again, Socks?
Curry chicken
Curry chicken back and what?
Curry chicken back and vegetable rice me then I say.
So chicken back and clean up. Yeah.
You know then give me a knife to cut bust chicken.
So yeah, do you want to mash it?
I'm done already.
You must have clean and cut up same time. That is it.
2 pieces left what?
2 pieces left work. That is it.
Go more, go in and get the fire light up. One more. Guys. Go and get the fire light up.
Tea work there, go and get some chip. We go up on the fire, you know what I think, go? That is it, man.
I'm checking people. Get on the pot as well.
It look good though.
I will tell you.
There's a move up and down.
There's a move up and down, so like I wear the pan.
Green dear, bro.
People, watch out, we don't want to, you know. That shit that you have.
What you say?
What you say? Good man, you must come back down. I mean, I Ratty down in the kitchen and I cook rice today, you know. Yeah, people now use nothing, nothing. Ah, done. Same time we are getting the curry.
Yeah man, chicken so. Go on. We don't put water in it today. Get them up to it there. You know this larvae?
No, sir. Not a great up one thing. So what time o'clock a strike? Yeah, man. So, you don't know. The chicken back in here. And the pot of bubble up on here. Smell good. You can smell it. Smell nice. I check in on the pot, you know, no? Give it a one stir. Chicken but look good, you know? Don't know. See what go on? Yeah, man, curry chicken back. Cover it up and push up the fire, no? I push up the fire. No. So that is it, you know. So just go and stay locked in and clocked in outside. Coconut milk going on pot. Yeah, outside, you don't know anything, go. Yeah, man, food I cook up, you don't know. Slow mo, where's the go?
Eh? They are wait, maybe now wait and still wait.
Been a wait and still a wait. But, where's it?
They are look for you know.
They are look for me, you show see me I look for.
Right, I'm pull and blow me.
Pressure, I know where pressure get mango in a them time, man. What kind of mango this, man?
You know what kind of mango that is.
Mango a share. Give me a piece, huh?
Yeah, man, but our share not 20 and you see it?
Oh,
I see them flying.
mango. You know what kind of mango in a bowl? Those are going to eat. Oh, pressure, share mango in a.
I don't know, share.
Let's go on.
The star girl is seed.
Not long, she can't go plant it.
All over there as one, you see it? So
That is it, man.
we are here.
Yeah. That will not get none yet.
Star girl, why see it? If you want to see them, you see
No, auntie, no, auntie.
Right, by the way.
Soup down.
Star girl, why see it? Jasmine, you know, guys. That's a good cooker, right? I tell you. Now, who are going too far for yeah? But active. Making one video. Yeah.
No, them bug then are gonna rest still. So what going on now? Got a dozen lime. Yeah, man. I'm gonna use a dozen of them still and make some lime juice for the crew. Yeah, man. Knife sharp. I'm full of juice, you know. I'm sharp, you know, if you don't know, I say sharp, you know. I did a sharp, and I taste it, and you know, feel like it's sharp. Fright now, I like go and slice the lime. Naturally outside, you know. Full sharp. Yeah, naturally, you know.
But you say naturality we are dealing with.
Naturality we are dealing with. Really sweet, man. Put one more after that one. And then.
Yeah, man.
See it? One of them big one.
Full of juice.
Man, them full of juice.
Beer juice.
That is it. See that? Tiny water, you know. No, say a bush style, you know. I say fully up.
Yeah, they have sugar for sweetness.
Sugar did it. Yeah, I go there now. Go drop them down in there. Yeah. That way I go do so it have a real lemonade, you know. Got some brown sugar. Yeah. Got some brown sugar, you know. Sweeten it up, you know. Yeah, man, those ready now, you know. So I go and stay locked in and clocked in. Yeah, man, a quick and fast, man. Simple thing, you know. Simple thing. Not even Maggi, not taste, you know. Yeah, that most sweet. That is it. Well easy. Big up Presser Lifestyle behind the camera, you don't know? That is it. So, strain it off, you know, in a igloo. No ice in a igloo too, you know. Well cool. That is it. Which is water? This? Yes, I put more water down in there now. Yeah, that is it. You don't know. I'm doing the cover for him. It's ready. That is it. That is it. Look what? Yo.
How much liters, sir?
17. 17.
Don't say 20, man.
One thing I like about it is the rice is share little bit. They look young.
You do not take a young plate.
Like the bone part, top yard.
Yes, sir.
Booming!
Chicken back nice, and chicken?
Of course. Of course, but I'm too. Chicken them dry, trashy. Nobody. Chicken are good.
Alright, so.
Chicken back, turn up on foot, you know.
checking for the rest of people. Like say,
Puppy, how much cup of juice?
Papi just reach and him belly full already. I say,
And the juice well
Wesley, I can't
his body don't shell down them food already.
Give thanks and praise. The food is alive. That girl not get none.
I would have touched a full buckle. So I want full of buckle. Press a buckle, press a go.
Watch
Alright, see what go on?
Yeah, cut like everybody else, I don't know. I have a cut up on the team and the people. Slow more. Late food.
Yeah man, so what time o'clock a strike? Yeah, already start, eat the food already. Chicken back. Nice. And look what I got. Natural juice. Watch Climer drink out the rest of the juice, you know. Done that, you know. I last like that Climer. That man gonna buckle. Look how he mug up for him buckle. He mug up that. Yeah man, that is it peeps. You don't know how we enjoy ourselves. Today, I have cottage blow, as you can see. I check in for the kitchen, you know, okay? I don't know, say, there's someone I go right now. Yeah, man, so I check in for the kitchen first thing first. Yeah, man, so check in the kitchen, you know. Big pot of soap, what kind of soap in the pot? Pork can cook soap?
Pigtail.
Oh, pigtail.
A joke of cow skin and red peas.
Cow skin and red peas and some breadfruit they have on the side, same way.
Jungle soup, you want to see?
Yeah. But a bubble. Yeah, man. What kind of soup over here, sir? Tealy?
Jungle.
Yeah, I come from about tealy soup. Yeah. Go on as a saltfish and pick up as well. Yeah. Spin them over, I can see what go on. That is it, man. So, crayfish soup, chicken the pan grill, yeah, man. Everything active in our kitchen. Nice river down there. So, some steps are come from up top. And I carry all the way down to the river. Yeah, but I'm not going to go down the river, you know, still. But just go on a little preview. How I go on, see? Steps them on little chat they down there, so for go down the river and thing. Yeah, go down there, go swim. That's how I go on. So just set up one thing, you know. Setting up a go on, you know. Check in back in the kitchen, you know. Some carrot I cut up. Yeah, I cut up them carrot I go in nice soap pot, see me? Oh, go in and color, some color. Alright.
You got plant to cook right now? No.
This man I complain about the platen. What's about the platen? What's about the platen? Is the platen too full for fry? Oh, it's a platinum. Now water there. Some finger holder go on. But end up on the fire, see way breadfruit them done roast. Yeah man. I go and cool long there so. Big pot of soup ready and now. Yes, you can drink out there now? Yes, sir? Yeah. Alright. Yes. Olive a platen.
I'm done.
Yeah, 1 bunch of platen. That is it, man. Chef them active, you know? That is it. Sure, go on. Yeah, man. Chicken them still there, go on.
Alright, I want more.
Jerk, you know?
Use it to anything. Use it to anything.
Alright, so onion I cut up here now. Chef, what your name? You know what that chef your name, you know? Chef your name?
Liquor man.
Liquor man.
Eh?
Salt gone in our water, you know. I cut up a plant, you know. Liquor man there, I go cut up the onion them. To go in the color room. I see color yet, but I soon see it still. Soon see it, man.
You know if I have to cover for you now?
You know, I really have to cover your fire. Anyways, yeah, man, I see him say you have to do them, man. See him so.
You know, see how this work, man?
Yeah.
Where do the skin? You trying away?
No, it's skin in there, man.
No, not towel. We use file paper. Our two flat cover.
That is it. You just get the platinum split so you can fry them. That way them press easier card. Chew them well full. I best you that fill them. See, color low, season up and looking proper, ready to go. My easer is open to fire, you know.
This sauce on ground, I'll call it back too fast. Sauce on ground, I'll call it back.
Water come off a fire. You have to put the black. That is it. Alright, so I go on here now. Yeah, man. Let me know. Oil. Fry. Let them fry good and then press them. So reload fire. That is it. Check in a color of pot. Yeah, man. Steam down lovely. Piece of roast yam there up on the side. Same way. That is it, man. Eat a one stir. Ready still, you know? Color low pot up. Oh yeah, go with the flitters. Yeah, man, some. Oh, this is no saltfish flitters. Well seasoned up, you know. Whole heap of fire stick there on standby. Same way. Mixture stay, you know. Yeah, man, it come together, you know, nice. You know, so I keep turning the plant them so they're not burn. And fry properly. And soak in them and thing. Yeah, man. Thing I get active in my kitchen, you know. That is it. Alright, so I chef I take out that them and go press them. That is it, man. That is it. I'll get them.
I just want to lay one view.
So you deal with it.
Jerk chicken.
Yeah, man, jerk chicken look good.
Covered.
So Boston spice covered. That is it. First set is lovely. Alright, see settings are now. Yeah, man. Everything well set up now. Yeah. So everything well set. crayfish soup.
Why you give them gentlemen the soup here for?
Roast breadfruit. Let's say food bad boy happen. Oh, they want to make more gravy, man. Yeah man, active in our food, I don't know. Big flat, fry, press flat, I take one big one because I'm in the kitchen and I share it myself, so you don't know. Now watch your chef. How's the food? What's the review? The food is very good. Very, very good. Yeah man.